Jeremy Smith, and today we will be going over the MAJCOM Air Combat Command. Today we will be going over the background of Air Combat Command, the mission of Air Combat Command, the location of Air Combat Command, and Air Combat Command subordinates. Air Combat Command, also known as ACC, is the combination of Strategic Air Command and Tactical Air Command. Strategic Air Command and Tactical Air Command are no longer in commission. They were combined on June 1st, 1992 to form Air Combat Command. The Air Force believed that Strategic Air Command and Tactical Air Command shared very similar interests and goals and missions, so they decided to combine it into what is called Air Combat Command, which is run more efficient than having two separate command bases. The mission of Air Combat Command is to organize, train, and equip troops for rapid deployment if needed, to develop doctrine, strategy, concepts and tactics for air and space power employment. They are also the primary provider of air combat power for America. They also provide and operate communications, intelligence, and reconnaissance for America's Air Force. The location of Air Combat Command is at Joint Base Langley, Estes, Virginia. Air Combat Command subordinate locations are found all around the world. And here at the bottom of the slide, I have a map of Joint Base Langley, Estes. Air Combat Command subordinates operate more than 1,000 aircraft around the world. They are responsible for 35 wings and 12 bases. They also have more than 300 worldwide operating locations, which carries a total of 95,270 active duty and civilian personnel. Air Combat Command also has the responsibility for inland search and rescue missions in the 48 contiguous states in America. And these are my references. Thank you.